Everything's dry. I just like doing this. I like the feeling. Let's take off the hair. Ooh, see? We're gonna get ready for school. I might pick up a breakfast sandwich. Here's my outfit for today. It's usually, I wear basic clothes like all the time, okay? The thing is, the basic clothes I wear, they're really cute. Okay, they're cute. They're kind of cute. I love really good, high quality basics. That sounds like something everyone always says. I'm not joking. I wear almost the same outfit like every other day, and then I switch it up every once in a while. There's something about a good pair of jeans and a good top and some nice shoes. It really isn't that bad. What I'm trying to say is that, yes, this camera's following me around my room, by the way. Since I'm a commuter, I basically pack my whole life and that's it. So there's a lot of shit that I pack that I don't need. And you're like, Brianna, why don't you just, you know, leave some stuff at home? What if I need it? What if one day I need that one pencil in the back of my pencil case? What if one day I just need that red marker? You never know. You never know. And I think that's what I struggle with. Cause I carry a lot of shit with me, hold up. Like I carry a camera with me and this is my baby, okay? My pen, it's okay. It's a little Dior pouch, right? She's cute. And I have a bunch of pens in here that I probably used once and then I'm like, I'm probably gonna need it. So, unironically enough, I use a ruler every day. So, and I take a few things with me, which are this is my calculus notebook. Yeah, it's my calculus notebook. I got these notebooks on Amazon. It's Nami paper, I think. But anyways, my brother got me this journal from them. Love it. Because I did ask him, can you just get me another one for my birthday? And then he did, so neat. Then here's my little notebook for calculus. Here's my photo diary. So I carry all these three. This is just in case, because it used to be my journal, but then now my photo diary is my journal. And it's smaller, so it's cuter. I placed that in there. Pencil case, right. Glasses. These are my Swarovski glasses. I never thought I needed glasses until I went to my first ever appointment at 19 years old. And they were like, when was the last time you came here? I was like, I've never been. And they were like, oh. And I'm like, yep, these are my glasses. Am I giving office siren? Am I giving brain rot? Like, am I? No, but these bitches help me drive, okay? I have to close one eye to look at an exit sign. I'm not even joking. I don't even want to talk about it. I feel like I look crazy. You catch me in the mirror, I'll go, all right, that's where I'm going. Who does that? And then it turns out I just have like this slight astigmatism. And I was like, all right, when you drive, I don't think it's a good idea to close one eye. I was like, yeah, I know. Anywho, here's my lovely lady. She is my MacBook Midnight. But this is the only thing that's heavy in my bag. I took out my camera. I'm gonna start being nicer to my back now that I'm 20 and I already have a herniated disc, so I already ruined my back. I also bring a charger, which is my MacBook charger, and then my phone charger. And I don't switch the plugs because they're the same USB-C plugs. So anyways, I'm packing light today. I'm packing light. This is my version of packing light, all right? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I'm trying right now. I always set up my desk to be ready to study for, and I always leave my door open for my dog to come in my room. So that's one of the reasons why I leave it clean, because sometimes there's unexpected guests in here and my mom will show them my room. Alrighty, last but not least, we got these bad boys, because you cannot survive a goddamn college class without using these, I promise you. And now we close the bag. So that's kind of the stuff that I take with me. Mind you, this is how I talk normally by myself. It's just now that there's a camera, I have to pretend that you're there. I got to school around like 10. Super bright out today. I'm gonna look crazy in class. I hope I don't. But I think it's funny. This is my view this morning. If you can see, and I usually sit over there, but someone looks like they're sitting there. Can you see? Let's turn back to me. Anyways, good morning. I got about 20 minutes until I get to go to class, but I have my Mountain Dew. This is my energy drink for today. My energy drink where I have 91 grams of caffeine. Oh, well.
I can notation integral of f of x, yes. It's just the different integral without the limit.
I'm gonna get my makeup ready. I'm gonna show you some steps. Or like a time lapse of how fast I do it, so. Okay, so makeup's done. It is 8:27. I thought about making this as like a girl in her 20s trying to figure everything out. You know, like I did just turn 20 a few weeks ago, and I'm an 04 baby, so I just turned 20 after all my friends turned 20. It's what I get with having a late birthday. I like to have a clean room before I study. Nice, relaxing day. Sun is out, but it's cloudy today, but it's not bad. And today can be a good day. No expectations. Detach for once in a while. Let's go. I have to go do my laundry. Laundry! It's so easy to leave me. Ah, there you go. Number 2.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just putting stuff in here.
Oh.
It's all wet.
Brianna, we thought you were crying.
Oh, I forgot I was recording. Oh my god. I was putting away laundry. Probably sounded crazy. And it did, okay? I thought that was so, I had to leave that in there. I thought it was so funny. My mom peeking in. She's like, where are you? I hope you enjoy the video. I have other things coming out soon. I just thought it would be funny to show you the past 2 days of me trying to vlog and then realizing, wow, I talk too much. So I'll see you guys in the next video. There's 2 other ones that you can watch at the moment that are probably 2 years old, but yeah, you'll see me soon enough. Okay, bye-bye.